Belgian waffles are a popular breakfast and dessert item that originated in Belgium. These waffles are known for their light, crispy texture, and unique square shape with deep pockets. The batter for Belgian waffles typically includes ingredients like flour, eggs, milk, yeast, and sugar, which contribute to their fluffy interior and golden brown exterior. One of the key features that distinguish Belgian waffles from other types of waffles is their deep pockets, which are perfect for holding delicious toppings. Common toppings include fresh fruits like strawberries and bananas, whipped cream, chocolate sauce, maple syrup, and powdered sugar. Belgian waffles are often enjoyed with a cup of coffee or tea, making them a delightful treat for breakfast or brunch. Belgian waffles have gained popularity worldwide and are now enjoyed in many countries. They can be found in a variety of settings, from street food vendors and breakfast cafes to high-end restaurants. Whether served as a simple, sweet treat or as a decadent dessert with elaborate toppings, Belgian waffles continue to be a beloved and versatile culinary delight enjoyed by people of all ages.